Hello, welcome to another lesson. In this lecture we are going to be learning about the section view. So to start, let's just click on view, our model view, and browse to our file location and add our check valve. And now we want to add the front view. So I'm going to add my origin point. So once I have something like that, how the section view works is the section view helps you cut this valve anyhow you want to cut it, so you can reveal what is on the inside. So for example, if I select the section view, you have the different type of cutting line, which is you have the vertical, the horizontal, the auxiliary angle, and the aligned. So anyone you selected is just what you will select is based on how you're trying to cut the part. So for this valve, we are trying to cut it along this line, so we'll select the middle and I want to cut it, so I'm gonna click OK and click enter, and now drag it down to the right side. So anywhere you drag it and click. So you click OK and click enter, and now as you can see, this valve is being cut in half and everything on the inside of that valve is revealed. And that is how a section view works. So I can click section view again and I can cut this valve again, this section in half too. Click OK and click enter, and I can drag it. So now we have two section views. We have the first one, which is cutting this valve in half and is showing you what it looks like from that view, from view A, and we have it cut again in this view and it's showing you what it looks like from that angle. So that is pretty much how section view works. You mostly use it to cut any part in half to reveal what is on the inside of that part. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.